Hello everyone, this is Davila with Java 1 Week 2, changes to the fundamentals application. And for this week was to create a method that calculates the median length of the strings in the collection instead of the average. Make all static, non-user entered application text support both English and Spanish. And for the cosmetic changes, change the background color to gray, the text to be bold, and change all button controls to be text view controls instead. I'm going to run the application now, and this is my code. So I changed all the buttons to text views. All the functionality remains the same, except that instead of pressing a button, you click on the text view to get the results. I'm going to run the application. It takes a little time. So here's the application. Right now it's in one of the requirements was to change all strings from English to Spanish depending on the device default language selection. And as you saw, again, I'm going to show you again. It was all in English. Now I'm going to get that translated to Spanish by going into the device default settings, change the language from English to Spanish, and we will see the change happen. It takes a little time for the emulator to transition from screen to screen, but it does work. Spanish. And once I go back to the application, we should see everything in Spanish. And there it is. All the functionality remains the same. You can still save text by using the text views and display the data. So now it's 4 items. I can add one more. Or our text, which means save, and display that. So that's for 5 items. The cosmetic changes were completed. All the text is now bold, and instead of buttons, I'm using text views to generate the functionality of the application. What I did have a hard time doing was creating the median to get the median length of the data collection. I was not able to implement that, but I'm hoping to get it working within the next few days. Other than that, again, the background was changed to gray as per specifications on the instructions. All button controls, text view controls instead, that was done. Change background color to gray, that's done. Change all text to bold, that was done. Make all static non-user application text support both English and Spanish, that was done. And this I was not able to complete, but hopefully I will get it working. Other than that, again, here's my code and how I changed the buttons to text views. And again, the functionality remains the same. Here's what I believe was the right method to get the application working, but it did not work. Other than that, this is Davila with Java 1 application fundamentals. And good luck, everyone. Have a great week.